In this video, I'm going to show you how to block unknown callers on your iPhone. The first step is to go into settings, scroll to the bottom, tap on apps, scroll down to phone. You can see phone under P. Just tap on phone. Scroll down. Here you can see screen unknown callers. You can either select ask reason for calling or you can click on silence. So this will block unknown callers on your iPhone. Also, you can turn on this option, unknown callers. Turn this option on, spam, turn on this option. So once you have turned on these options, unknown callers will be blocked on your iPhone. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.